Hi, welcome to Nine Multimedia. We're going to talk to you about how we've built a smartphone website app tool that allows any brand to communicate with their customers that have smartphones. It is the big trend that's out there, and a lot of companies need to make the shift because their customers are looking for them using their phones. How do we know? Well, the statistics are in. A lot of these Android and iPhone app users are spending well over 1 hour per day surfing the internet on their phones and utilizing applications on their phones. And what they're doing with it is conducting business a lot of times. So the question is your company ready to address these smartphone-enabled customers? A lot of times what they're doing is they're using applications like maps and searching. So let's take an example. If you're a hotel in a downtown environment and say a customer is looking for a hotel that night, they might get a search result which pops up a map and has your business located right on the device. So what happens is the customer then clicks to go search and look at that particular business and learn more about it. And unfortunately, right now in the marketplace, they're delivered to a non-optimized website, which was built for the web, but not necessarily built for a smartphone app. And the experience is poor, and the customer is a little discouraged. So wouldn't it be much better if that same person, after they had searched, found exactly what they were looking for through their wonderfully smart little device, and instead was delivered to an exceptional experience for the brand that they were trying to reach? Now they know they got to exactly the right spot. They know that they're going to get the information they want, and they're greeted with a happy, exciting presentation that really helps, ensure the brand equity that a lot of these companies are trying to push through. This is basically what we're doing here at Nine. We're basically trying to say, don't have a bad landing page for a smartphone. Have a really great landing page for a smartphone that actually looks and feels like your brand. So let me show you a live demo of exactly how our applications work, and then this will make more sense as to why you want one for your business. So I'll put this screen away, and we'll pull up an example of our smartphone app. So in this instance, we're going to show you that same example, which is the Hard Rock Hotel, which is one of our customers downtown who uses our mobile marketing situation tools. So here for the Hard Rock, they're able to present their brand in a highly effective way. It shows their brand right here on the screen. It has information and links to their websites and social links so people can engage them. And then our application allows them to have media, shopping, and contact information, which are the three critical elements of conducting business. Because you have to tell them what you got to tell them, you need to let them contact you, and you need to let them buy from you. So let's tell them something. What would I do as a customer? I'd come in here and I'd say, what's a Hard Rock telling me right now? Well, they got some announcements right here located in this media gallery. They've got pictures because I want to look at the rooms in the facilities. They also have some videos that they were posting up for me to check out. And in those videos, I might want to see what's going on at the hotel. It's kind of cool. Little infomercials straight to your customer cell phones. That's what we're offering here. We're offering a full multimedia experience right on the cell phone. We also allow documents and audio tracks and other information to be put in this media gallery. The next step in this process is shopping. I might want to buy a hotel suite or room service, or maybe I was interested in that VIP event pass that I knew was going on. So I'd click right here, I'd see the object I'm interested in purchasing, I'd fill in my information, and basically go ahead and enter my Visa or MasterCard with the appropriate information and submit it. And that would allow me to conduct a full transaction through a secure e-commerce cart right there on my mobile cell phone. So the convenience for the customer is excellent. They're on the go and they were able to purchase what they wanted while they were on the go. And then the last feature of this tool is the contact information, which is typical business requirement. Tell them who you are, give them a phone number, and then allow them to contact you. In this particular instance, we decided to give them a chance to join different lists. I want to be on the weekend special group list, so I'm going to give them my information and join their marketing list, right? Awesome. That allows me to go back in and join their list, and now they'll send me little mobile updates while I'm on the go. So as far as I'm concerned, my mobile experience is complete. You can see right from here, we have an application which is highly capable and very interesting for customers to interact with. This same application can be used for different industries and brands. So you can see the same example done for the Anaheim Ducks. You can see the same example done for an organization. And you can see an app we had built for a retail brand, all utilizing the same technology and the same capability that we produce here at Nine. Now, say I want to modify this application because I'm a marketing manager, not the IT department, by the way. What we do is we provide a full mobile interface for the marketing manager. And it's simple, point and click editors. They basically modify the content of their application by simply pointing to the information they want, highlighting it, and cutting and pasting new information, and hitting the save button. Really simple. Say I want to do something a little more complicated, like change the graphic arts that we designed for the brand. You simply would locate the object you want to swap, select a new image, maybe want to go with a different look and feel here, and then maybe I want to move the links around too. I'll move those to the right instead of the left. And I'll hit the save button. So now what I've done is I've swapped the offer that I was providing to my customers. So remember, in our app, this was the current look before the save, and now after changing it, I've changed the entire look and feel of the application. I've made a special deals on rooms call now offer, and I even moved the social links around because I just wanted to change where they were. That was all done through point and click editing, and I think it took me 15 seconds. So talk about making it simple for the marketing people. That's about as simple as it gets. That concludes kind of our demo on smartphone apps. If you'd like to learn more, give us a call or fill out our form, and we'll be happy to touch base with you. Next, go take a look at the next video, which will talk a little bit more about this media center and what it does for our customers. Thanks a lot.